First word. That's it. Cut ചെയ്യണോ? Okay.
Scene 7, take 1.
So this was India predicts energy വരാം. ഒന്നുകൂടി പറയാൻ പോകാം.
Scene 7, take 2.
Honestly, my first reaction to this was, this is crazy.
This is what happens when you put real data, real states, and a trained analytical mindset in the same room. (824) constituencies, 5 states, real election data. This is India Predicts 2026, India's first ever national election prediction competition. So today we are here with Rehan Nair, who has predicted election outcomes better than a lot of experts. So what we're about to discuss today will definitely make you rethink about what a student is capable of. Hi Rehan.
Hi, Sera.
So India Predicts 2026. So that's India's first ever, large-scale national election prediction competition. So like 1,700 people participated. 5 states, 824 constituencies, like real election data, real states. So it's kind of something that has not been attempted much at the scale in this country before. So what was your experience? Tell me, what was your experience doing something that you have never done before?
Honestly, my first reaction to this was, this is crazy. Predicting the winners for all 824 constituencies. But I took up the challenge, decided to give it a shot and see where it goes. I never thought I could complete it.
So you're one of the youngest participants who competed in this, so which makes what you accomplished even more remarkable. So can you tell us about your actual approach? Like, how did you go constituency by constituency using only publicly available data?
I started with analyzing the official voting data from the Election Commission of India's website. Then I observed each candidate's profile, the sitting MLA's local presence, age and caste demographics. Then I came up with the formulas and then I applied it across all the seats.
So did you actually believe going in that you could use just AI and analytical tools to predict India's election outcomes, like seat by seat, using only publicly available data? Like, or did you part of you think that it is impossible?
I was skeptical. Indian elections feels very ground level, hyperlocal to be precise.
Yeah.
But once I started digging deep into data, I could see clear patterns, incumbency effects, demographic shifts, and historical swing margins. It completely changed the way I think about elections.
So a lot of people, professionals even, say that Indian elections are too chaotic, too unpredictable, too deeply human to ever model accurately. So do you agree with them? So you just competed at a national level, used data to predict Indian elections, and you put up an amazing performance. So what would you like to tell them, and what does the data actually show?
They're not completely wrong that it's complex. But complex doesn't mean random. Each constituency has a history, and that is sitting in public databases. The chaos is on the surface. Beneath that, it's very clear pattern.
Last question. So a lot of people watching this might want to hear this. Season 2 is coming 2027. So you already competed once at a national level as one of our youngest participants actually. So what would you do differently next time with more preparation time? And what would you like to tell someone who's watching this and is thinking of entering?
Just register. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to be curious and willing to dig deep into data. I had no idea I could pull off something like this until I tried.
Okay, that's amazing. This is what happens when you put real data, real states, and a trained analytical mindset in the same room. So this was India Predicts 2026, India's first national level election prediction competition, powered by Data Science Academy. So if you want to build up your AI integrated analytical skills, reach out to us today. Season 2 is coming. The question is, are you ready for it?